Let's see 4 stocks for Monday session. The first stock in the list is ITC. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see a sort of consolidation is taking place. ITC is making small candle near its daily support level, which is an indication of storm before the calm, which means that ITC can break out from this particular zone or get to the zone. That is what we have to worry about. So what I'm thinking about is that if ITC go above 197, then we can think about buying it, and target should be near the round number of 200 or above that, depending on the price level or the momentum is. Second stock for Monday's session is Havells India. The reason why I have picked Havells India is that it is near a breakout region, and this particular resistance has been tested thrice. So in Monday's session we could see a very big breakout from the levels of 611 to 612, or even we can see a gap up opening. So be ready for that. If it gaps up, then wait for a price action to show you a bullish momentum, and then you can take a trade. Monday's session is Voltas India. If you look at the daily chart of Voltas India, one thing is quite apparent, and that is Voltas India is currently trading on its daily support level, and this support level has been tested twice and it has been broken as well. So it is not a strong support level. What makes my or solidifies the stand that it is going to break from this particular region is, you can see the candles. Voltas is slowly and steadily making bearish candle near its support level, which means that there are sellers who are sizing up this particular level, and they are just waiting for an appropriate level to sell it. So we could see a drastic fall in tomorrow's session, not tomorrow, in Monday's session. Fourth and final stock for Monday's session is Hindalco Industries. One thing I have told you multiple times in my technical analysis is that if a stock has to break out, it starts consolidating near that breakout zone. Here you can see 2 consecutive candles trading just above the breakout. Here you can see after a sort of a breakout, Hindalco went for into consolidation. Then we saw huge bullish candle. So in tomorrow's session I expect Hindalco to break out of this zone. The level that you have to watch out for is 179. If it crosses 179, then it might as well go near 200. If you want to know all the important levels in the 4 stocks that we discussed for Monday's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.